Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel, and for those who are returning, it's good to have you back. I'm Shibabs, and this is the fifth part of our review of the Xiaomi Mi P1 Android TV. If you've missed any of the previous videos, I'll leave the links below so you don't miss any part, or so you can just go straight to the solution you are looking for. We've already talked about the unboxing and general features in the first video. In the second video, we talked about the initial setup. In the third video, the basic internal settings, the various inputs, and in the fourth part, we focus on how to configure your Gmail settings to activate the Android. In this video, we'll be focusing on the resolution, so without further ado, let's get started. To talk a little about this TV, both for movies via USB or for online channels, we're going to start with the most easily accessible, which is YouTube. We open YouTube, sign into your channel, in my case Shibabs Unbox, and select any video. Let's check out this ABC World News first. Wow, definitely I love that resolution. Looks big, great. Color combination and resolution is not bad at all. Let's check out another one. This time around, one of my videos which wasn't recorded in a 4K resolution. We're going to check out the first video made about this Xiaomi P1 TV just to avoid the copy strike of YouTube. As you can see, it looks quite big and complete on screen. The resolution is good, at least in my opinion, being a low-end TV, and I'll leave the rest to you. A good thing about YouTube videos is that you can set the video quality. So we go to settings, just to verify maximum quality video was shot on, and if we want to increase or decrease quality. You see, normally when you open a video on YouTube, depending on your connection, the video quality is usually automatic at 144p or 360p, but you can set it to a higher solution. In this case, let's go for 1080p by 60. We go check out another video just in case. In general, excellent resolution for the price I paid for this TV. I would have liked to try Netflix and Prime TV, but I don't have accounts with these two apps for now. Now let's go check out resolution and videos recorded on a flash drive. We go straight ahead and insert the flash drive into the USB port. The TV automatically detects it. You see 4 folders: devices, videos, images, and music. We are interested in the video folder. Just a reminder, the resolution partly depends on what format or resolution the movie in your drive was recorded. We go ahead, open our USB, choose a video file, open it. If it's the first time, you will be prompted to allow Mi TV to access the files on your drive. Select allow, then sit back and watch. You can easily control everything from your remote control. You can press the middle pad to pause or play. If you press the down button, you can access additional options: scale, audio track, subtitles, repeat, information, pictures, sound, playback progress, and finally version. If you open scale, you can select between adaptive or fit to screen. For example, we select fit to screen, and you see how the video fully adapts to the TV screen. If we don't want that, we can just leave it at adaptive. If you select audio track, we have 2 options: audio track 1 and 2. This is useful if the movie you're watching is dubbed in 2 or more languages, usually English or Spanish at this side of the world. Depending on your side of the world, it's usually English and another language. For example, we select track 2 and the spoken language changes to English. In subtitles, we're given 3 options: 1 to activate it, the next to turn off subtitles, and the last to adjust it. If you select the third option, it gives you the option to adjust the size, thickness, color, position, and opacity of the text. We can put the TV in repeat mode. We select repeat, and there are 2 options: repeat all or repeat the current. Here, if you select all information, you will see all the details of the file or movie you're watching: file name, resolution, refresh rate, video format, audio format, and color range. We can adjust the picture from here without having to go to settings. We select sound, which gives us 3 options: first, system sound, which we can activate or deactivate. We can change the sound mode. You'll be given options like standard, movie, news, game, or custom. If you select custom, you can change the values. We select playback progress, and we have two options to either activate or deactivate. And finally, we have version. One more thing regarding video or movie mode. To fast forward or rewind, just go to your pad or remote control and press right or left. So let's go back to a video and try a few changes. So for example, this is a little bit dark. Let's see what we can do. Options, sound, picture. We come to picture, and then picture mode, color temperature. Let's change color temperature to cool or warm, or let's just choose standard. Picture mode, standard. Advanced mode, advanced music. So basically from here, you can do everything from the video without having to go to settings. You can control it easily from here. So basically that's all you need to know about the Resolution. Still same question, is this TV worth it? As of now, I still do believe it is. Besides being well designed with almost non-existent margins, it has a decent image quality with good audio drivers and perfect connectivity. Yes, it's not HD resolution, but for the price you're paying, it's good enough. Finally, depending on your budget and what you need it for, this might be a good bargain. I hope this video has been helpful and has given you enough information about the resolution of the Xiaomi MIP1 Android TV. I appreciate your time watching the video. If you already have some experience you might want to share, please leave them below in the comments. Also, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button to get notified when we upload new videos. Thanks for watching, and as always, catch you guys in the next one.